हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अर्श गोयल। आई एम बैक अगेन विद येट अनदर अमेजिंग वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ और अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही फॉर द बैचेस ऑफ 2022 2023। सम ऑफ देम आर इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज, सम ऑफ देम आर फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटीज। डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड to get complete information about these opportunities. So the first opportunity is by Hashden. Hashden is a company that has recently been acquired by Deloitte. So Hashden University 2021 is open and they're looking forward to SG1 as well as intern positions. So you can go on their official site, you can click on the apply now button and you'll be redirected to this form in which you need to fill in your details, your batch, your email ID, contact number, gender, college name, your course, academic branch, your year of pass out. So batch of 2021 and 2022 both are eligible. 2022 will be getting 6 months internship, 21 is available for SD1 roles. So definitely this is an amazing opportunity. Go ahead and apply for Hashden by Deloitte fresher registration. Next, there is an opportunity by PNG. So they are hiring for IT internship. If you are pursuing your computer science degree, you are in your second year, third year or final year, you can apply for the same. All you need to do is have some good knowledge about application and integration, infrastructure, data analytics, IT security, risk or any of the technologies. So you will be getting this role according in the location in Mumbai, and definitely this is a must apply opportunity. You will get an assessment as soon as you apply and you need to submit that assessment, and further you will be getting rest of the details after you clear that assessment. Next, there is a small message for you all from Relevel. If you want to change your lifestyle, you don't need to do it in the grand way. Tata, Birla, Ambani may buy an entire bank, but you can be happy with a new car or a pretty little rose plant. Though a bank would be good, but not gonna lie. By making these small changes and upgrades, you can give a long way in improving your lifestyles. Coming home from after a long day in your nice car, slipping into comfy socks, watering your plants and placing your feet on the fuzzy rug. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? With these changes, you actually need a job that will fulfill all your dreams and aspirations. And we may think that in this tech world it's difficult to get a job like that, but it's not that hard, you know. With Relevel, you can choose between different companies and various job profiles which you had actually interest in and are well paying and don't make a dent in your personal life. Companies like Relevel will help you reach the next chapter of your life, easily give you a chance to upgrade your lifestyles. These tests are free, so you don't have to think twice before registering. So find your fit on Relevel today, because there'll be always a place in the tech world that fits just perfectly for you. Go ahead and register for any of the tests. They are completely free in business development, front-end development and back-end development. You can check out the link in the description below. Next, there is an opportunity by TVS Credit. The last day to register for this is 24 September. And this is an IT challenge. Basically, students from engineering background, MBA and postgraduate all are eligible. There will be different rounds. Online quiz having 20 questions to be answered in 25 minutes. Coding challenge will be there after that. Case study challenge, and you will be shortlisted. You can get an amazing amount of prize money also through this challenge. If you are not getting a prize money, you will definitely receive a chance to interview at this company like TVS. Like last year, what happened was those who just participated, gave the first two rounds, they received an invite in April to give the assessment for getting a role at TVS. So you might be lucky and you might get a chance to get an internship or a full-time role at TVS through this particular challenge. So don't miss out and just register. Next, there's an opportunity by Medtronic. Medtronic is hiring for software engineer 1. They're looking forward to candidates with BTech degree and with 0 years of experience required. Batch of 21-22 can also apply. This is the date of posting is September 15th, and you can definitely go for Medtronic's job as well. Phanom is conducting its Women in Tech Hiring Talent event. The registrations are open from 6 September to 24 September. I'll give the link to this in description. Like, they are looking forward to freshers also as well as experienced candidates also. So definitely you can try on for full stack engineers, UX designers, quality engineers, data scientists, data engineers, site reliability engineers, product owners, engineering managers and a lot of other roles. You can explore and register for this event as well. Next, TechGig is conducting its event known as Geek Goddess, through which they have opened up one more contest, that is by Tanhambai coding contest. So screening round is going on. You can definitely check out and participate in this 3 hours coding round. Once that is done, you will be getting into the semi-finale round, and after that there are some amazing prizes if you are in the top 5 candidates or top 7 candidates, you will be getting prizes worth rupees 1,50,000, 1,75,000, and so on. Definitely this is an amazing opportunity. Go ahead and apply for this challenge as well. So this was all for the video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to press the like button, share it to the friends, and do subscribe this channel for amazing content coming ahead.